This is a real quick video in case you have a BlueParrott b550-xt wireless Bluetooth headset with voice commands and you need to do a factory reset on the Bluetooth pairing history on this headset. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this headset is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it's not syncing or not pairing with your phone or other device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's stuck connected to the wrong thing and you can't get it disconnected, so you can't get it connected to what you want. Just getting a fresh start by wiping all of it off of it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, and then starting fresh is a good step to fix those issues. The second reason is kind of related, just any kind of situation where you want to get a fresh start, delete all the pairing history so that you can just go ahead and start over pairing these as a brand new headset. It's really easy to do. We just want to make sure that our headset is turned on, and then with our headset turned on, we're just going to find the volume up and volume down buttons right here on the headset, and we're just going to press and hold them both simultaneously for about 10 seconds. And basically, after about 10 seconds, you will hear two beeps in the headset, which will indicate that the headset has been reset. Then once it's reset, it will go automatically back into pairing mode. And then what you want to do is, instead of pairing it to something, just go ahead and turn it off. And then now it's all cleared out. And then now the next time you turn it on, you'll basically be turning it on like it's a brand new device. So let me know if this helped. If it did, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.